Hi guys, it's me Aisha and I'm back with another hair review video. The hair that I installed today is called Carol Curl. Carol Curl by Freetress, and it's 20 inches. And the color that I used was TP1B/30 and also 1B. Because I didn't want too much color, but I wanted just a little bit of color to show. So this is the hair here. I bought 5 packs and I had to go back and get some more from the store. So about 6 in this much packs. So 6 packs, and out of the 7th pack, this is how much hair that I have left. Super easy install. The hair is shiny. It's very shiny. I'm not very fond of the shininess, but hopefully that'll die down with time. Super fast install. Like I said, it's crocheted in. I'll turn around and show you the back and the color and everything. But I do like it, and what made me get this hair is I was on YouTube looking up hair reviews, and I saw a YouTuber who did a review on Presto Curl, and she really loved it. So when I went to the hair store to get the Presto Curl, I saw the Carol Curl. So I purchased like 5 packs, like I said in the beginning. Purchased 5 packs of Carol Curl. Came home, installed, ran low, had to go back and get 2 more packs. But prior to the install, I YouTubed Carol Curl reviews. There was only like 3. So I'm like, nobody really reviewed this here, so they must not have tried it, maybe because of the look of it, but I like it so far. So far so good. Like I said, the only thing that I'm not super fond of, and you can see the color there, is the shininess, but it's so cute. It look wet. It look wet. My husband was like, your hair looks super wet, but it's cute. But yeah, it's cute and I like it, and it's not heavy. It's super cute. It was long. I could pull it back, put it in a ponytail if I wanted to. I really like this hair. So what I am going to do is, I usually don't keep my styles in long. I literally did a spring twist video last week, Saturday, when I finished my spring twist. And it is the following Saturday, 7 days later, new install. So if I have this hair in for a month, I will come back every week and tell you my thoughts on this hair. If I don't, then I won't. But my plan is to see how long I can keep this in my hair, because I have hair OCD and I just do my hair like I have all the time in the world. If I paid myself, I would be rich. But I will come back and let you guys know what I think about this hair next week, Saturday. And hopefully this shininess will die down. I hear that people use powder, but I really don't want to use powder. I just want to see what happens. So Carol Curl is what I used. Again, I used TP1B/30. This is the packaging, 20 inches. It wasn't too much longer than this. It probably went, well, this is the hair right here, so that's about how long it was all over. And then I just cut it down some. So, really nice hair, really shiny. I want to try all of the Freetress hair, crochets, and do reviews on them. Probably won't, but I want to. I probably can. I could probably do it in a month the way I do my hair, but this is it. I'll turn around and show you again. Shake. And I will be back next week to let you know my thoughts on this hair after a week's worth of wear. Peace. Hi everybody, I'm back. It is week 2 with this hair. This is Carol Curl by Freetress. I told you guys that I would be back to do another week review. I made it a week. I have it in my hair still. I still like this hair. I love it a lot. Some people have told me that it looks like some moisturized hair because it's, you know, it is shiny, but a good shine. It doesn't really tangle that much. It really doesn't tangle at all. I've been working out, so I've been putting it up in a ponytail. And when I go to the gym and just wearing it like that. Not a lot of shedding, just a little bit of maybe twice I had to, like, you know, get the little excess hairs off. I haven't had to cut it. The one thing that I will say, see, like this here little tangles like this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just pull them out and then I'm good. The one thing I will say about this hair is because of the way that it is made, when you crochet it, it does like loosen up. It does loosen up, so I have to constantly, you know, pull it to keep it knotted so they don't come out. But other than that, I still love it. I still love this hair. I will probably keep it in for a few more weeks because it doesn't look bad. This is a pretty long one. Typically what I do for this long piece here, because my goal was to do the invisible knot method in the front, but it didn't really, because of the way this hair is made, it kind of doesn't look like it did that. But as you can see here, excuse my dry scalp, but it looks nice. I really like this hair. This hair gets an A+ for me. So out of all of the hairs that I've tried, I've done the deep twist, and I like the deep twist. It just sheds a lot for me, so that's why I really haven't been doing the deep twist. I do use less hair with the deep twist because I cut it in half. This I didn't cut in half, but I did cut it down some. So when I use this hair again, I'm probably gonna cut it in half to do like a shorter look. I'm actually going out of the country in March, so this may be the hair that I install for that trip, but just a little shorter. So we shall see if this holds up for another few more weeks, which I think it will. But this is Carol Curl by Freetress, week 2. I'm loving it still, and that is all. Carol Curl. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another review soon.